Hello to all of class 2nd. This is the EVS and the English video, and we are welcoming you in the Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Roorkee in the session 2021-22. Dear children, before starting the studies, we have to maintain our notebooks, and how we have to maintain the notebooks. For that, you have to follow some rules. That in English and the EVS notebook, you have to draw the classwork and the homework index. You can see on the screen that this is the classwork index which you have to draw on the first page of your notebook, or it may be given in your notebooks. If it is given, then it is all okay, but if not given, then you have to draw, and you have to put the lines also in between them with the scale. Then what you have to do on the next page, homework index is not given, but you have to draw it yourself, and for that also you have to draw the lines and you have to complete it like this. Fine. You must draw the indexes very well, and with the help of scale you can use the colors, make your notebooks colorful and the beautiful. You have to cover your EVS notebook with the green color glaze sheet and the English notebook with the red color. Now we have to move on the third page of your notebook. What you have to write here, that you should make this page by giving the title My Notebook. Then you have to write them these sentences point wise. The first point should be my name is, जो भी आपका नाम है वो यहाँ लिखेंगे. The second point will be this is my notebook. Third point will be this is English or EVS notebook. You have to write that particular subject. This notebook has dash pages. Dear children, like your notebook has the 90 pages, then you have to write here 90, or you have to count the pages and put the numbers on every page. Then you have to put the number of pages here. Then the fifth point is that I oath that I will not tear any page out of this notebook. आप ये ओथ लेते हैं कि आप नोटबुक का कोई भी पेज टीयर आउट नहीं करेंगे. Then on one side you have to write the parent sign, on the other side you have to write the teacher sign, and like this you have to complete the third page. Fine. Now we are moving on the studies. This is the work for English subject, that you have to write this poem and you have to learn this by singing. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, brush them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush them every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair, comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Fine. Like this you have to recite this poem and you have to write it in your notebook. So in classwork index you have to write the recitation of poem, and in homework index you have to write the writing of poem. Now what you have to do in the EVS notebook today, you have to write these words under these headings. After completing the 3 pages of classwork index, homework index, my notebook page, you have to write these headings: personal hygiene and family members, and then complete these words by writing. And one more work you have to do is that on the white page you have to draw the pictures, or you can paste the picture of your family members, and you have to draw the pictures of brush, comb, washing anything and taking bath. So like this the EVS and English work be completed. Then what you have to do, you have to make a PDF of this all work of English and EVS and then send me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.